All right, guys, 2021 Dodge Charger Daytona 6.4 Army Green, sexy Hemi, babe. Look at this thing. She is a beast. The usual factory converters, factory X-pipe. We did a little bit something different on this. It's got an X-pipe on it, then two MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS right there, part number 10416. MAGNAFLOW, if you're watching, start making these in 3-inch because we need them in 3-inch. Okay, so we don't have to keep expanding these. Make them in 3-inch like the Flow FXs come. Anyways, there's the part number there. There'll be a link in the description for them. Right there, two MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS. Still got the valves on it. He wanted to keep the valves on it, so we kept them on there. And then we did a rear delete there and there and put two Vibrant bottom resonators. Part number 1794. Thank you, Vibrant, for making 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There and there. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then two 4.5-inch black tips out the back to complete the look there and there. There'll be a link in the description for them also. Very clean, very nice, powder coated right there. There's the mids that were on it, there's the rears that were on it, and there's the tips that were on it. We cut all that off and cleaned it up for them. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Charger 6.4 scat pad. MAGNAFLOW mids, Vibrant rears. That's easy. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 112. Usually if we just do the mids, it'd be like 116, 130, 120, I mean. That's clean. What do you guys think of this setup? Does it sound good to you guys? Let us know in the comments. Dodge Daytona. Look at that sexy Charger. Very nice. Do a full 360 for you guys on it. Tell us what do you guys think of this new format. We're gonna start doing 360s on all of these cars. You can hear it from all angles. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Charger Hemi, 6.4 liters of raw power.
Higher.
Say Hemi.
Higher.
And he's getting a Jeep. Get you a Hemi, bro.
No.
Do a Rubicon.
No.
Do something where you feel alive. You don't feel alive. You almost went right through. So nice. I like it. Enjoy, guys.